The control of machines will change fundamentally. Current automation solutions are very complex. They consist of many hardware and software components which communicate via many different interfaces. This leads to lower flexibility and higher costs for operation and maintenance. We at logiccloud provide all functionalities of hardware controllers as automation services from the cloud. We have three main use cases: flexible production, building automation, and infrastructure. By using our cloud solutions, you will gain many benefits. You will have increased flexibility, you have lower costs for maintenance and operation, better integration in your digitalization systems, you have faster mapping of your processes, and better data transparency. Make your controllers ready for the future. We at logiccloud support you on this journey.